Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to reopen already viewed snaps. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Snapchat app. Then right here tap at chats icon to go to your chats. Then you can swipe down for a bit to show up that toolbar, and among these icons you can tap at that one to show just unread conversations, and here I got one, so if you got some you can get into it to show up that conversation. So that's actually the snap. I can now hop it out, and now if I want to reopen that snap I can get into it in that way, and after that right here I can scroll down for a bit, and now it says hold to replay. Right here it says hold to replay or save. So if you want to replay that snaps, you can just hold down on that and then hit on tap to view. After that, that snaps says open, and you can't reopen it again, but you can reopen that two snaps in the same way, just like that. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Snapchat tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.